Hi, my name is Randy Labaza. Let's walk through creating a Porta cryptanalysis cipher. The Porta cipher is a fairly easy cipher. There are only 13 mappings. Letters in the first half of the alphabet, A through M, map to the opposite end of the alphabet, N through Z. A good quote length is around 50 letters. I've got a quote here from Chuck Palahniuk, and this quote has 62 characters. Now, the difficulty comes from the length of the key and how the block size is set. If the keyword length and the block size are equal, everything lines up when solving. Otherwise, they're offset, and care must be taken to get the correct keyword letter over the right ciphertext letter over the blocks as they're solving. So we can pick a keyword using the Suggest Key button here. Now, the keyword suggested will not have a repeating character. This is particularly important for cryptanalysis problems. So let's find a 4-letter keyword we like. We'll hit regenerate to get another set. How about city? Looks like a good keyword. And we'll set the block size to 5. Next, we want to provide a crib or part of the plain text. The crib should be one more than the length of the keyword or equal to the length of the keyword so the students can notice the keyword repeating. Our crib will be COURM, coming from this part of the quote. And the crib spans blocks that will give keyword letters of I, T, Y, C, I. When they decode this, that's what they will see. And then they should be able to recognize that the keyword is city. Now they can go ahead and fill out the rest of put the keyword over the blocks and do the mappings to get the plain text. So now we'll set the question text. You'll see here that the crib is given in the question text, so we'll replace it. And we'll set the points. Factors affecting the difficulty that I mentioned are taken into account by the Suggest Points button, and about 15 points are added for this being a cryptanalysis problem. So we'll press the button, set the points, and we'll save the question, and you can move on to the next one. So that's how you create a Porta cryptanalysis cipher. Happy code bustering.